want to keep a specific WhatsApp chat private without deleting it? Let me show you how to hide it in just a few seconds. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide one-person chat in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app and make sure you're logged in. Scroll through your chats and locate the conversation that you'd like to keep hidden. Long press the chat until it's selected, then tap the archive icon, the box with a downward arrow at the top of your screen. To view your hidden chats, scroll to the top of your chat list and tap on Archived. You'll find all the chats that you've hidden here. And that's it. Now you know how to hide a single chat on WhatsApp while keeping your conversations private. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our new videos.